So we got one more question. The sum of all roots. So you have to find sum of all roots. Okay. Okay, we will try to solve this problem. So it is, now please uh, look at this. We have different base. Okay. So first we will make base to be same. So it is x plus 1. I'll write that part first. 2 times. Acha, you know that suppose it is log a base b. So you can write log a by log b. And suppose you have log a square, you can write it as 2 times log a. Okay, means what I want to convey is you can write the base as like this whole thing as, first try to understand, you can like write this part as log bracket 10 minus 2 power minus x by log 4, and log 4 will be written as log 2 ka square, and that power will come at coefficient. Okay, so we will have log 10 minus 2 power minus x, and then it will become 2 and it will become 2. Okay, this thing vanish, minus 2 times this, like this property can you can apply in reverse order also. So you can write log 2 3 plus 2 power x ka square. Okay, now look at this, the base of the log is same and it is log m minus n, so you can write log m by n. I'll send these things that side. Okay, so it is log base 2 10 minus 2 power minus x upon 3 plus 2 power x power is 2 squaring. Okay, it is minus of x plus 1. Now you know that log a base b equals to x, suppose, so you can write a as b power x. So you can apply the same logic over here. So it is 10 minus 2 power minus x upon 3 plus 2 power x square equals 2 power minus x minus 1. You can write this thing as 2 power minus x into 2 power minus 1, base same power add, it will look like that. Now look at this, you can reorganize the numerator of LHS as 10 times 2 power x minus 1 by 2 power x, and then 3 plus 2 power x square equals 1 by 2 power x and 2. Now this 2 power x, this 2 power x, done. Now you can write this part as 20 times 2 power x minus 2 equals, this is a plus b whole square, so 9 plus 2 power x का square है ना, plus 6 into 2 power x. Now send like uh, on same side, so I'll send everything that side. So it is 2 power x का square, now this thing that side minus of 14 2 power x, and then plus of 11. Okay, now look at this, what was the required thing, the sum of all zeros. Okay, sum of zeros. So don't you think that like its zeros would look like, we want x1 plus x2, so can I assume that the first zero would be this and the second zero would be this. If they want to find sum, I'll go with the product. Okay, so if this is y square and 14y plus 11 equals to 0, don't you think you can write product of zeros y1 plus y2 c by a, and who was y1, it is 2 power x1 into 2 power x2. Now look at this, base is same, power will be added. 2 power x1 plus x2. We want x1 plus x2, we don't want this, so we'll take log of base 2 both side. So x1 plus x2 is log 11 base 2. So the required answer is this, log 11 base 2. I hope this question is clear now.